Welcome back. This video will explain how to use the Quick Find field for searching records. If you look in the upper right hand corner of most screens, you'll see a field here called the Quick Find field. The Quick Find field is different than other fields such as the first name, last name, etc. Generally, when you're searching for information, if I wanted to find everyone named Mary, I would search this field, or in the case of a name, I could search this wider field up here, which concatenates or combines the first and the last name together. But if I wanted to search for the word Mary anywhere on this screen, well, I'd have to go through and search in the notes and, all over the place. What's nice about this Quick Find field here is it searches many fields all at once. Now, it doesn't search every single field because that would be inefficient, but we've dedicated a few fields that are important to that box. And I'll give you an example. Let's say I wanted to find any patient who had the word Starkey somewhere on their home screen in either, let's say, the chart notes or a hearing aid or something like that. So I'm just going to enter the word Starkey right there, and then I'm going to hit this Find button here, and it starts the process. It does take a little while sometimes, depending on how many records. It could take a minute for that matter. It takes longer because it has to search more than just one or two fields. It's searching a whole bunch of them. But let's look at the result. It says it found 43 out of 968 records. Well, let's see. I don't see any Starkey hearing aids here, but as I scroll down, oh, she does have an older Starkey there. So that's good. That matched properly. The next person doesn't have any hearing aids, but her name is Laurel Starkey. That's her last name. So it found that record appropriately. In here, she has a couple of Widex hearing aids. Her name isn't Starkey, but if we look in the chart notes, then we see that she tried Starkey, but the model she tried wasn't loud enough, and for whatever reason, she ended up with Widex. So then we're going to go to the next record, and we see that, in fact, this patient has an Oticon and a Starkey hearing aid. So as you can see, using the field up here for Quick Find may, in some cases, be helpful to search information if you're not sure which field it's stored in. I would not recommend that you use that field for normal searches for patient names. Instead, just click here and then type in Robert Smith or whatever it is, and it'll be much faster for you, especially if you have thousands of records in your database. In the same way, you want to search a phone number field by going to this area here, or if you want to search for a serial number, you'd come down here. It's just that sometimes, on occasion, searching the global field up here will save you a little bit of time not having to wonder which field that information is stored in. So give that a try and see what you think. Thanks for watching.